Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Sunday, April 15th. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe, staying warm. We just got hit with an ice storm out here. Let me drop you guys down. There we go. And it is cold outside. So hopefully you guys are alright. And here we go. You guys could check these people out. The links are going to be down below where you could get this at a low cost. I'm not sure if there's going to be a discount code, but if so, that'll be in the description. What do we have here? Oh, alright, we have from JSVER on Amazon Prime. Now these are going to come in handy. These links will be down below. JSVER, I do believe how you pronounce it. Life is not always perfect. Ain't that the truth? Except for Mr. Perfect from wrestling back in the day. Ooh, these are nice. Here is link 1 will be the first one where you guys could buy this one. This is the outlet. Three USBs. Power, nice cord, easy to use, and there you go. So check that one out if you guys want to get that one. And then number 2 is gonna be whoa, it's like a cube, a Rubik's Cube. We got one there, 3 USBs there. So, whoa, plug it in like that. So 1, or actually like that, I think. No? This way. Kind of upside down. That's right side. 1, 2, 3 outlets. 3 USBs. Really cool. Definitely would put some time into this. Forgot what I was gonna say. Sorry about that. But really cool stuff right there. Check them out. JSVER on Amazon Prime. Take advantage of the fast shipping. Get this in a couple days. Boom. Really cool. Link 2, the cube. And then link 1, the normal. Boom, boom. I just don't have any outlets right now to put these in it, but pretty simple to set up. 3 USBs, tablet, phones, cameras, and then your 3 outlets. Video games, TVs. So alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good Sunday. Be safe, stay warm, and I think I will see you back tomorrow for Monday. So yeah, have a good one.